Our staff goes that extra mile to ensure everyone walks away happy and satisfied. It's part of our top-notch 5-star experience, and we're excited to share our latest rave review with you. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. But please don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.